Amadeo, what we doing? The nature walk?
No.
No?
No.
What we doing? Going to school?
Yeah.
No, we not. We're doing a nature walk.
No.
Nature walk, yeah. Amadeo doesn't want to do a nature walk. It's a quick walk. All right? No. Say hi. You don't want to say hi? He's in the mood. Abby, nature walk?
Yeah.
No. Yes, maybe so. This is just a half nature walk. A school walk. Oh, see? Don't hurt yourself, man.